I've been working on this gun here. I just picked it up not too long ago, and today I'm going to go ahead and change the grips out on it. This is my Walther Q5 Steel, and this gun is absolutely awesome. I'm not gonna lie, I really like this gun, and so far I've put a mag well on it and a stream light, and I've gone and ordered the plate because they do not ship this gun with the plates for the optic. So what has to happen is you order the gun, then you go to the website, put in your gun serial number, then they tell them which optic you're ordering, and they send you the plate for it. So that's the process for getting the plate on this. So I've already ordered the plate, so that'll be coming here pretty soon. But for now, we're gonna take these standard grips off, and I ordered some lock grips, LOK, and here they are. These are the thin bogies. The thin bogies. You can get these for a little over $100. It was like 100 and these were 149, I want to say. I'm not exactly sure. I just ordered because I ordered a few things, so I threw them in the cart. But yeah, finna go ahead and put these grips on. So let's go ahead get a better look at this. The first thing you want to do is make sure your gun is empty, and she is empty, which, like I said, that's the first thing you want to do. So now you want to go in and take your old grips off, which require nothing more than an Allen wrench. So let's go ahead and take the old one or the original one off, because they're not old. I just bought this damn thing, so the grips are not old. All right. And one thing about the new grips, there are two pieces to the new grip. The original grip is one piece, so that is one of the differences. But that's all good. All right, so boom, we have everything off, and there we go. Here, I'll let you get a good look at the old grip or the original grip. Like I said, this grip is not old because I just bought the gun. And here's what the frame looks like. And what did I just drop? Okay, I see what that was. All right, see these things right here? They go in here, and I just threw them all over my desk because there are 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I do not know what they are for, but I do not want to lose them. All right, so there is the first side on there, and let's get this other side on here. Alrighty, there we go. It is on there. Now let's put these, screw these on down. All right, so here we go. This is the lock grips, and it changes the grip angle a little bit, but I will say that it changes it for the better, because that is absolutely awesome the way that fits on there, and you guys hit me up, tell me what you think. Do you like the thin bogies? That is what these grips are called, the thin bogies from lock grips. And I will say they do feel a whole lot better than the original, and it's the grip angle, the way the grip angle is, and the way your finger locks into that is awesome. The way the texture of that is, and that's what the back looks like, and it is. Hold on, turn my light on. It is absolutely awesome. I like it. So here, let's get a good look at that. Matter of fact, hold on a second. So these are the new grips, and yes, they are absolutely fantastic. I like them, and it's the blue trigger that got me putting all this blue stuff on the gun. As normally I don't go with black and blue, but why not? You know what I'm saying? So there we go. These are the lock grips. The lock grips. Let me let that get into focus. The lock thin bogies. Thin bogies. All right. Let you guys get a real good look at both sides of that. The thin bogies. And these are the blue black bogies, and it is a thinner grip than the original that bulged out in the back, and it is a whole new experience. I actually really like the way these feel. So yeah, I do recommend them. They ain't cheap, but they are pretty cool. So absolutely. So if you have your Q5 match steel and you're looking at grips, the lock grips, you don't have to go with blue, but the lock grips are cool. They feel great. They fit good. It's a good fitment, and the thin grips actually feel very good on the gun. So, I'll leave that up to you. Hit me up in the comments. Tell me, did you like the black grips better, or do you like the blue grips? Hit me up, let me know. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe so you can follow the journey that I take all of these weapons on. All right, Johnny Snow up out of here.